क्या आपको भी क्रिटिसिज्म मिला है? वर यू जज्ड बाय द
I
सोसाइटी?
was very fortunate, I would say, fortunate enough. मैंने वो 1.5 साल जो काम किया मुंबई में वो काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल था मैं.
So what exactly you do as a consultant?
My own parents said कि इंजीनियर बन के मॉडलिंग कौन करता है. Talking about my passion, I was working with Kia Motors.
Hello everyone, my name is Tia Pratap and welcome back to the Tales Factory Season 3, The Unscripted Mic, a place where we keep things raw, real, unfiltered and straight from the campus corridors. Today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Akash Dahiya, who is a consultant at Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI. And on top of that, he is a model, an influencer and a content creator. He is here to share his journey, how he went from our college corridors to be working in one of India's top government organizations in telecom sector. So let's dive in and hear about his journey. So, Bhaiya, welcome back to our college, and we are very all delighted to have you here. और कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज? इतने सालों बाद पहले आप ऐसा कॉलेज स्टूडेंट पढ़ते थे यहाँ पे और अब आप एज अ गेस्ट बन के आए हो, सो कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको?
Like first of all, thank you so much for inviting me here and काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. मतलब काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस आ गए हैं. जो रूम्स नहीं होते थे मेरे टाइम पे नहीं थे बट वो अब हैं. सो उन रूम्स में मेरा जाना भी नहीं हुआ तो आज हो गया है. एंड यस, सब अब काफ़ी लोग स्वीट हैं.
दैट्स नाइस. सो पहला सवाल आपके लिए ये है कि व्हाट्स दैट फॉन्डेस्ट मेमोरी दैट यू मेड इन कॉलेज जो आप अभी भी चेरिश करते हो और याद करते हो?
Like one of my fondest memories is joining the fashion society. Like it really helped me build my confidence, the stage presence. So I still remember my first walk, the adrenaline, the nervousness mix. तो का मतलब याद आता है कि यहाँ मैंने fashion society join करी थी. So one of the best memory of my life, my college life is joining the fashion society.
So as we know that you graduated in 2020 and the world was changing at that time due to COVID. So what was your experience and can you tell us all the hardships that you have faced and could you just unfold your journey with us?
Like in 2020 कोविड हिट. सो कोविड आया था तो उसके बेसिस पे हमारा कॉलेज आना ख़त्म हो गया था. लाइक सब कुछ ऑनलाइन चल रहा था. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन इंटरनल्स, सो सब ये था. बट एग्ज़ाम्स जो एक्सटर्नल हुए वो काफ़ी टफ थे हमारे. तो पीपी किट बोलते थे, क्या बोलते थे, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. देन वो पूरी किट पहन के आते थे. एंड देन प्लेसमेंट के टाइम भी सेम सिनेरियो था.
You have given 1.5 years of your life in Mumbai as a model. So, what inspired you to do that? And it's a very bold step for you to take. So, what was the reaction of your parents?
The reaction was pretty like Indian parent thing कि इंजीनियर बन के मॉडलिंग कौन करता है. बट इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर पैशन. कि अगर आप पैशनेट हो किसी चीज़ों को लेके वो आपका विजन तब तक नहीं देखेंगे until unless you make it. So yeah, I was very fortunate, I would say, fortunate enough कि मैंने वो 1.5 साल जो काम किया मुंबई में वो काफ़ी सक्सेसफुल था मैं. एंड yes, what was the first part of the question? Sorry, could you repeat that?
The first part was that what inspired you?
Inspired, yeah, the fame and the glam, which when I was in my college time मैं रैम्प वॉक करता था. the hooting, the shouting वो जब होती थी तो that thing inspired me to work for brands and designers like Gaurav Gupta and stuff. So yeah, I went to Mumbai for the fame thing and yeah, I earned quite a bit there. But again, सिक्योर नहीं होता है सब कुछ. 2-3 महीने काम मिलेगा and then 1-2 महीने ऐसे जाएंगे कि काम नहीं मिल रहा. So yeah, सिक्योरिटी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो that's why.
What's that one non-academic lesson that you have learned during your college life जो आप अभी तक use कर रहे हो?
Guys, make friends, make connections because they might not help you at that point of time, but they will help you in future because कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं काम आ ही जाता है.
That's insane.
In our society, when someone makes such a bold decision, like आपने अपना फील्ड ही चेंज कर दिया, so क्या आपको भी क्रिटिसिज्म मिला है? Were you judged by the society or what was your parents' reaction to that?
course, in the beginning, people. So I would not say parents. My own parents said कि engineer बन के modeling कौन करता है. So, but again, they were not seeing my vision because कुछ हुआ नहीं था life में तब तक. So they will judge you until and unless you make it. So yeah, they were judging me. But again, I was consistent in my work. I was disciplined. So the moment मेरा जो first click आया था, मेरा एक TV series release हुआ था. But then they saw, हाँ ये कर लेगा कुछ ना कुछ. So yeah, they were very much supportive after that.
Yeah, that's very inspiring and bold of you. So, what exactly you do as a consultant in TRAI, and what are your key responsibilities?
So speaking about my day-to-day life, I start my day by reading the updates in telecom policies, the recommendations from TRAI site, and drafting consultation papers, white papers, study reports is one of my key areas where I work. And and the topics which I include in my study reports and white paper: cybersecurity, AI, 5G, 6G. So yeah.
It's very interesting. So the next question is, how exactly do you prepare for that government job, and what sacrifices and the struggles you faced?
See, I was following my passion, which was modeling, which is modeling actually, and going for a job security. I was preparing for competitive exams also. Was not getting any kind of luck from 2022 to 2024, but eventually ज़्यादा मेहनत करने से हो जाता है. मैंने करके देखा है, हो गया. So ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है, हो जाएगा. So I was very up to date with the मैं न्यूज़पेपर रीड बहुत करता था. So ये मेरी हैबिट थी. So न्यूज़ उससे मेरी जनरल अवेयरनेस कह लो या फिर so वो मेरी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रही उस टाइम. And that eventually helped me to crack one of the SSC's exams.
So how do you balance between your government job and your passion for fashion and content creation?
See, weekdays are for my office work, TRAI, and my weekends are dedicated to my passion. Like I break the day-wise structure, and तो weekdays में मैं अपना office का काम करता हूँ, and weekends में मैं अपना passion follow कर लेता हूँ, content creation and all. So yeah, सब कुछ balance हो जाता है.
So the timetable is the key here. So next question is also, tell us what's that one thing or what's that one skill that you have learned from your passion that have unexpectedly helped you in your consulting job at TRAI?
See, the creativity mindset which I have gained from my passion, the communication skills really help me in my work life. कब बोलना चाहिए, कब नहीं बोलना चाहिए, कब चुप रहना चाहिए, कब किस टाइम क्या बोलना चाहिए. This really helped me in my work life. So yeah, I'm glad.
So आपने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारे ट्रांजिशंस देखे हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट यू वर अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, देन यू went for modeling, then teaching, और अब आप गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर रहे हैं. So what's that one thing that you think is similar in all these?
Discipline is what I would call is same in every field. If you are disciplined enough, you will excel in any field in you're into. So yeah, discipline, I would say.
That's great.
So there's a misconception कि जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब वाले जो लोग होते हैं they are stress free, they are burden free as compared to the corporate jobs. So is it true or just a myth?
I'll just tell you, my day starts with reading the telecom updates, policies, recommendation, and after that followed by different meeting with different departments. Like I'm also handling a consultation paper on 5G, which is of international relations. And after that, I'm currently working on a study report, which is of research and development in ICT sector. So I won't call it a 10 to 5 kind of routine, but it's a kind of responsibility thing. So काम काफ़ी है, ये मिथ ही है कि काम काफ़ी होता है, बट कौन कितना कर रहा है वो डिपेंड करता है कि आप कौन कितना काम कर रहा है. So मेरे पास काफ़ी काम है.
So let's start with our rapid fire round. So the first question is, your favorite thing about your job at TRAI?
The favorite thing about my job is the exposure I get out of it, because we are into directly the national policy building. So the exposure, I would say.
So dream brand or person you would love to collaborate with?
Dream brand is Louis Vuitton, and the person I would like to collaborate is Hrithik Roshan.
A biggest regret in your college life?
Biggest regret they didn't take me in the football team. I don't know why. What was the main reason? I was a great striker at that point of time, but I don't know why. But I wanted to be part of my football team, my college football team.
So, one word that describes your college life.
Transformative. Yeah, it transformed me from as a student to a model. Yeah,
What's your one biggest achievement so far?
considering my current position, I'm working. I cleared national level open interview. And talking about my passion, I was working with Kia Motors. I was doing modeling for them for long, like 4 years, past 4 years. So yeah, that was my biggest one of my biggest achievements.
So, what's one big change or upcoming technology that you are personally excited about?
The 6G and AI will change the future. Trust me.
Uh, One message for students who want to follow their passion along with studies and a full-time job.
See, don't be afraid to take any kind of risk, because if there is no risk, there is no story. So just follow your passion, do what you love doing, and always remember where you come from, because that's what keeps you grounded, and that's what defines a journey.
That's inspiring. So, one tip for those who are preparing for government job and or aiming for job in public sector.
Like, just be consistent, be disciplined in your work, and stay motivated. Keep positive people, like positive लोगों के साथ आसपास रहो, because demotivation would not lead you anywhere. So like, be positive, be consistent, be disciplined, because perseverance is the key.
That's very insightful. So with that, we have come to an end. Thank you so much, Mr. Akash Deya, for joining us today. We are very delighted to have you here.
Thank you so much, guys, for having me here.
And that's the end of our episode. We inform, we inspire, we connect, the Campus Chronicles.